In this video, we'll show you how to install a side awning onto a rooftop tent or roof platform using the supplied mounting brackets. Before you begin, make sure you have the brackets, bolts, nuts, washers, an Allen key, and a suitable wrench ready. First, prepare the mounting hardware. Use the Allen key and wrench to loosen the bolts on the sliding mounting blocks. Keep the bolts, washers, and nuts together so that no small parts are lost. At this stage, do not fully tighten anything. Leaving the hardware slightly loose will make positioning and alignment much easier. Next, insert the sliding nuts into the side rail. Move each nut along the T-slot until it reaches the approximate mounting position. Space the mounting points so that they match the holes or slots in the support brackets. Make sure the nuts sit flat inside the rail and can slide freely. Now place the first mounting bracket against the rail. Align the slots in the bracket with the sliding nuts, then insert the bolts and start threading them by hand. Repeat the same process for the remaining mounting points. Once all the bolts are engaged, adjust the bracket until it is straight and level. Tighten each fastener gradually, alternating between the bolts to keep the bracket evenly seated. Install the second bracket in the same way. Before moving on, check that both brackets are secure, evenly spaced, and facing in the same direction. The mounting brackets are now installed and ready to support the awning. Give each bracket a firm check to confirm that there is no unwanted movement. Next, lay the awning on a clean, flat surface. Open the protective cover and locate the mounting channel on the back of the awning. Prepare the mounting bolts and slide them into the channel. Adjust the distance between the bolts so that they line up with the slots in the installed brackets. Carefully lift the awning into position. Guide the mounting bolts through the bracket slots, then install the washers and nuts from underneath. Start every nut by hand before tightening. This helps prevent cross-threading and allows you to make final adjustments. Center the awning and check that it runs parallel to the roof platform. Once the position is correct, tighten all the mounting nuts securely with the appropriate tools. Work from one bracket to the other and tighten the fasteners evenly. Finally, close and straighten the protective cover. Check that the awning is firmly attached, the brackets are stable, and all bolts and nuts are fully tightened. The installation is now complete. Before driving, perform one final safety check and recheck all fasteners after the first trip.